scout around. We just pulled up at the Buckland River, and it's not exactly on the river, and we got those bloody wasps again. So having a look around, go for a drive. These are like 3, 4, 5 sites along this road, so if they're any good, get the vans and move tomorrow. We're on the A.H. Young's Buckland River.
Yeah, Buckland.
Nailed it.
Buckland River.
Buckland River. Nice and open. It's the sunshine. Still got this one with me, unfortunately.
Oi.
And heaps of wasps. We're a little bit off the river, so we're just going to go down for a stroll, have a look. See, I'm not waiting for the missus, I'm waiting for the parentals. Always waiting, hey Bubby?
You are.
Oh, hard done by.
A hard life you've got.
Yes. Don't know how I do it. So apparently this is the only track coming down to the river. Or there is one over there, but Sarah reckons there isn't. But I'll show you in a second there is. And Sarah owes me a massage. Hey Sarah.
No, I don't.
Yes, Sarah. So I was right, there used to be a track there. It's just eroded in like the last 5 minutes, disappeared.
So I was right.
I was wrong, Sarah's right. Be nice if you could drive down though.
How do they do that?
There's two, look at that.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah, oh, I don't know if it...
Oh, it's his entry and his exit.
Actually, yeah. Wow. Yeah, I know, how do they do it?
And how deep does it go, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. See a little, look where he's put a little dirt out.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at this.
Oh.
That's pretty good, eh? That is.
Deep?
Oh,
Is it icy?
beautiful. Icy.
That's what I'm just now. We're getting out.
Full battery, will the Ryobi cut through? That's it, fine battery. You ready? This is gonna pop off.
Okay. That was smart.
Or not.
No.
Oi!
Sinclair's waterhole, we think. Yeah, right, hey, come down for the day, have a swim. Pretty close, so we walked probably 10 metres. Man-made though, they'll put the concrete in there. So we think this is ladies' pools.
Ladies' bath.
Ladies' baths. We'll have a look at the sign on the way back out. Just a short little walk.
There's 3 falls that keep going. So this is the shortest one.
Good morning. Packed up. We're leaving AH Young's. We ended up being the only ones here now. Oh, there is another caravan, but they're gone already, so I reckon they're working. Good campsite, big, heaps of solar. It does get busy in the weekend, and to get to the water, you got to walk down a little bit on the edge of the what's it called? High country. We're gonna head back to Myrtle Ford, and I think over to, I have to ask Sarah. We'll let you know if the next one's a flop, then we'll probably go back to the Murray River. So we found a dump one at Myrtle Ford. There's 2 here. There's one at the campground, you pay $5, or there's this one here, you pay $5 and you get water as well. I'm guessing you put your money in the Camping Myrtle Ford reservation. Yeah. So you we're in a little breezeway, put your $5 in.
El Dorado, Reedy Creek, was too small and already had vans taking up most of the available space. Although it did have a little creek and was a good place to do some gold panning, we decided to move on.
You'll never believe where we are. Where are we?
We're on the Murray again.
We're on the Murray River! So exciting. So we all know Sarah can't catch fish, so she's going to chuck the net out and hope she can outdo us.
I put a little guppy in this last time. And I just leave all the fish for you.
Is that what you do?
Yeah. Don't lose the end of the rope, eh?
Way up there.
That wasn't very far, was it?
I don't know where you were getting there, just side on. Yeah, I don't know.
What do you stick yours in with?
Huh?
What do you stick yours in
Not
with?
enough weight in mine.
No, you don't. It's a shit cow. Never see that,
No.
So this is Forbes's, which is just up from Little Bruce's Bend. It's on the same track. Really? And it's muddy, it hasn't rained for a good week or so. I'd hate to see it when it does piss in. It does open up a little bit.
Oh yeah, so am I.
Lucky we got the floaties, eh? Hey, this is supposed to be the youngies taking the oldies.
It is.
Can you touch the bottom?
No, I'm kicking. We'll go heading that way. Not down.
Whose is this string?
This one here.
Oh,
See,
you got
I've got it. So we got to go out past this bluey.
We're in the wrong business, babe. You right?
Yep.
Echoes, eh?
It does echo. What, us?
Oh, just coughing. Yeah.
Somebody crashed the drone again, getting rescued by a boat.
Alright, because someone needs their aerodrome license, we've broken it. Can you see that? So what we've got is some steel weld, 2-part. We'll mix that up. Fingers crossed, it works. For the first time in 3 months, we have the place to ourselves. How good is that? It's blowing its tits off, but we're snuggled up inside. It's quite nice. Where are we? Blades.
Blades.
Blades?
Blade.
Blade. As in sharp blades? Yeah, that's sharp blades.
On the Buffalo River.
On the Buffalo River. It's cold. So how good is this, hey?
We finally have a spot.
All to ourselves, huh? For now anyway, until someone turns up.
Yeah.
Make the most of it. We've got some nice water, we'll show you that tomorrow probably. Might be a bit of a rain coming in. Oh, so good, it's peaceful, it's quiet. Love it. Good morning. Look at this, still got the place to ourselves.
We have no neighbours.
That's nice. Yep. It snapped through there. So I've put a bit of cold weld on it. Focus. There you go. So this is our first start up since, to see what happens. Hopefully she's still a goer.
Okay, here we go. Oh, I feel like they spin. Yeah, that doesn't spin.
You'll find it's happy. Spin it until it's free. Yep. Yep, leave it there. Like that.
Okay. Alright.
Ready? So Just walking along casually. I'm like, oi, walk away. How was it?
Oh my god, it was a red belly black snake. I was so close to stepping on that. My heart is racing.
I was like, it looked like that's a snake. I was like, so that looks like a dead bit of rubber or something. I was like, nah, walk away.
Oh. Whoa. Good spotting.
Yeah. I think we need another wine.
Now I don't want to walk through long grass.
This is us for the next 3 months. We start work, when we start it? Monday. So today we're going up to Mount Beauty, have a look around. I think we're in the high country.
Yeah, it's classed as the high country.
It's classed as the high country.
But I think we're in a gully though.
Yeah, definitely in the gallery. But we'll go up Mount Beauty, have a look around. And then mentally prepare ourselves for Monday.
Yep.
Hey. Is that Ropers Lookout? Ropers. Yeah.
I'd like to bring us to lookouts that have big cows.
Yeah. That's not bad, right? We just went through Bright. No, not Bright. We just went through Mount Beauty. Good little town. Food works and everything else there. It was nice. Had some markets on. And I'm pretty sure this road that we're on now is bloody windy. They say don't bring a caravan. We'll test that out later. I think it goes to what's that other town? Omeo? Omeo.
Yeah.
I'd say that's where this road goes to, eh?
I don't know. I felt like Omeo was more west.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I could be wrong. I've lost all bearings in Victoria.
It's a weird little
It
place.
is a weird little place.
I don't say it's called Bogan, but it's Bogon.
Bogon.
Bogon. How cool is this? I feel like we're in Canada. Oh, that's warm as. That's crystal clear. Painters Fall National Park. So apparently it's not too far. Oh, it's fresh. Oh, that mountain air, that freshness.
Reminds you of Cuzzy Oscar and you almost couldn't breathe?
Yeah, I can't breathe now. So when we had our house, we had, how many ferns did I try? Three or four. So now when I see a fern, I get upset. For some reason.
Maybe we need to live in the mountains.
Yeah, because I
so
killed them.
Grow ferns.
Like even these little things I couldn't keep alive.
They smell funny. I got a weird smell then.
Oh, I can try and smell pee.
Oh.
What are these? They look like, I don't want to touch them. They kind of look like chili peppers, but purple. They're purple apple berries.
Purple apple berries.
Edible?
What do they have taste section?
Tastes like snarlsberries.
Very bitter when tasted.
They're very bitter. So you can eat them.
Well, I think so. Google's telling me the right thing.
Don't trust us with Google, just don't eat them. A wild river, question mark. Oh, geez.
Careful.
Lucky we got our Crocs on. Oh, this is sick. Wow. It is. Definitely, if you walk over that little bridge and duck down to your right, you'll find this little hidden gem. I don't know, I'm like, I want to go for a swim. It's going to be freezing. We'll see. I done it. It's fresh. I feel good, but definitely recommend. Nothing like a cold plunge in the morning. We're gonna leave this episode, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We might go to fortnightly now that we've got to work. Hey,
Yeah.
I think it's just going to be easier. So we'll try to do that. We'll try to do every week, but it might have to be fortnightly.
But we'll see how we go.
See how we go. We get 4 days off, so we'll go exploring, do some stuff. Alright, see you soon. Bye.